The lady from Uncle. International Fair. The lady.
Hi, today I'm going to take a look at moving a YouTube channel from its linked brand account to its owner Google account. And note, by the way, that I am currently signed in and using the Google account itself. I'm going to click on the top right hand side on the avatar and I'm going to go to switch account. And this step is absolutely crucial because what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to switch out of the Google account, which by the way doesn't have a YouTube channel, and into the YouTube brand account for which I want to move the YouTube channel. So I'm going to select Uncle's Test Channel. As you can see, I have 6 YouTube brand accounts which are owned by this particular Google account. And I'm going to select Uncle's Test Channel. And you'll see that the avatar at the top right hand side has changed. So I'm going to click on that again. And this time I'm going to go down to Settings. And on the Settings page, I'm going to select Advanced Settings from the left hand side. And on this page, I'm going to select Move Channel to your Google account or to a different brand account. And on this page, I'm going to scroll down and you'll see that I'm being offered the Google account, which doesn't have a YouTube channel, and I'm also being offered the 5 other YouTube brand accounts. But the problem with these is that each of these are already linked to YouTube channels of their own. So if I were to select any one of these 5, I would literally be replacing the existing YouTube channels. Now I don't want to do that, and I actually anyway want to use the Google account itself, which fortunately doesn't have a YouTube channel on it. Now if you were wanting to move a YouTube channel from your brand account to your Google account and your Google account already has a YouTube channel, you would first have to move that YouTube channel unless you are okay with replacing it. I don't have to do that. I'm going to click on Select on the right hand side. I'm being asked to review the changes that I'm about to make. Basically, my Uncle's Test Channel is going to be moved to the Google account. The URL will not change, but certain information will not be transferred across. But that's okay. I'm happy enough to proceed. So I'm going to click on Move Channel. And I'm being told that it has been successfully moved. Now, in order to actually see what the changes that I've made, because of course this page hasn't yet updated, I'm still being shown the option. I'm going to simply refresh the page. And at this point, I'm being asked to select a channel that I actually want to use at YouTube. And the reason for that is, remember that this Google account owns more than one YouTube channel. It has YouTube brand accounts as well. So at the moment, and that's why I mentioned that I had 6 YouTube brand accounts, at the moment I've only got 5. And the reason for that is that Uncle's Test Channel was moved from a brand account which has now been left channelless. And because we're at YouTube, that brand account isn't a viable asset to be using at YouTube. So this, in fact, is my Google account's YouTube channel now, the one that I've literally just moved. So I'm going to select that one, and I'm going to click at the top right hand side, and I'm going to pick your channel. And there you have it. I am signed into and switched to Uncle's Test Channel, the one that I have literally just moved from its brand account directly onto the owner Google account. Thank you for listening and goodbye.